Number 4 is Frozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. As a Dungeons & Dragons enthusiast, you know that the quality of your miniatures can make or break your tabletop game. The Frozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer is the ultimate tool for bringing your creations to life with unparalleled precision and detail. With a 3840 by 2160 ultra-high definition resolution, the Sonic Mini 4K can print miniatures at 35mm with 722 ppi, the highest ppi ever. This allows you to create incredibly detailed models and small tabletops with the highest precision. Despite the impressive resolution, you won't have to sacrifice size for quality, as the Sonic Mini 4K provides ample printing volume of 5.2 inches by 2.9 inches by 5.1 inches. The Sonic Mini 4K boasts a 6.1-inch monochrome LCD screen that enables the 3D printer to operate up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers. Rapid prototyping increases printing efficiency and enhances precision by printing each layer in only 2 seconds. It is compatible with most 3D printing resins on the market, allowing you to use your preferred wax for creating your D&D miniatures. If you are interested in the Mini LCD 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5